Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a Turbotax account step by step. Whether you're filing your taxes for the first time or switching to Turbotax, I'll make it super easy for you. So make sure you watch until the end, and if this video helps, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more helpful guides. So go ahead and open your browser and search for turbotaxandwit.com. Then here you'll be able to find this create an account button or this sign up button. So go ahead and click on that. You'll be able to create an account on Turbotax, and that will redirect you into this page. And here, just go ahead and click on the create an account button again to be able to create an account on Turbotax. Now you'll need to provide some basic details such as your email address, use one you have access to, user ID, choose a unique username for your account, phone number, and password. So in here, you just need to enter your email address, user ID, password. So make sure that you create a strong password. After that, click on the create account button. Turbotax will send a verification email to your email provider. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. For security purposes, Turbotax may ask you to enable two-step verification or choose security questions. Once done, click on the continue, and now that your account is set up, you can choose your filing method, start entering your tax information, and save your progress and return later if needed. That's it. You've successfully created your Turbotax account. Now you're ready to file your taxes easily and secure. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.